So y'all, today we're working with ZEELOOL and we got 6 pairs of shades right now that we're gonna try on together. So y'all, this is the first pair of shades and these are blue light blocking glasses because I do not wear glasses and they offer varieties for everybody. So this is the first pair and this is the style Dexter in the color black. Simple black square type thick frame glasses, super fashionable, and also blue light frames as well, just like all the other frames I'm wearing today. These glasses just really feel like so comfortable and natural on my face. Like a lot of times when I'm wearing glasses, like they just like they're funny to look through. Like when you put them on and you're looking around, it just feels funny, or they just feel funny on your face. But these feel like lightweight, comfortable, and then everything is so clear. Like it just doesn't feel like, you know, like I'm wearing glasses, and I like that. And I look super cute with these. Like these are like really like sleek, slim, and just super cute. Love them. And you know, ZEELOOL actually picked these ones out and sent them to me, and I was a little hesitant at first. I was like, no, I want to pick my shades, but they picked these, and I think they picked these like really good for me, and like they really got it down packed like what I would want. Like that right there, to me, that is so cute to me. Look at the little details. And then this part is black. These are just so freaking cute. Like look how cute. And I just love pink, so like this is literally so cute. And ZEELOOL is an online based glasses brand focused on fashion, so their glasses are meant to like look fashionable and super cute while also providing prescription or no prescriptions. You look super cute, and you can see like, why are you not shopping with ZEELOOL? When I'm in the bed just doing work at night and it's just like this bright light shining in my face, this is what these glasses are for. Fire. Just look how cute I look. So cute, right? Like, aren't these shades so freaking cute, y'all? Look at this and look at the trim. Like, I just can't wait to go take my laptop and take my shades and go sit in like Starbucks or something and just do my work with my shades on. I just feel so productive, and I know my eyes are being protected. Look how cute I look. Like these are cute. Even if I wasn't doing no work and I'm just going to run errands, I'm throwing on these because these look so cute. Fire. I look like I'm about to go to class, do a little bit of studying. So here is the third pair of shades, you guys, and these are super cute. I love these because I love clear shades, because I just feel like you could wear clear shades with anything and they just look good because they match with every color. So this is the third pair I'm trying on, and again, these are also blue light blocking glasses. All the shades I'm trying on today are blue light blocking glasses because I don't have a prescription. I have 20/20 vision, thankfully, so I don't need any prescription. So anybody can wear glasses from ZEELOOL if you just want to look cute. If you sit behind a computer desk a lot, these glasses are made for everybody. And they're just a super cute accessory, and you'll never know that it's also blue light blocking as well. So it's fashion and it's good for your eyes. You know, these right here, I love these. These are so cute. Like the white just looks so good. So cute. So this is the third pair, and I don't know, this might be my favorite pair so far. I don't know, but I also really like this one too, y'all. Like I kind of like the little splash of like that little purple burgundy color in there, and then on the side, do y'all see the glitter? That right there, that's my speed all day. Like I love a little bedazzled. Look at my necklace, literally my ring. Like I love like a little sprinkle of like a little bedazzled glitter, silver, gold, little touches. Like, that's so cute to me. And it just makes it look like fashion. Like, no, these are actually really, really cute, y'all. Okay, like, so cute. No, these are so cute. And like, when I'm editing my videos, I'm gonna be wearing my glasses because like I just feel so like, I just feel so professional. Like hello. Okay, perfect. I'll be sitting doing my work, and look how cute I look while I'm doing it. Put it on with your work outfit, and like, not only is it like a really cute accessory touch, like glasses always are a cute accessory, but if you actually wear glasses, you could put the prescription in. You can literally customize them how you want them. This exact pair, you can get different color, you can add the exact prescription level that you need and make the glasses how you want. Like, that's so bomb to me. I don't wear glasses, but like, that's so cool to me, and I just feel so cute with my glasses on. Like, how cute do I look? Come on, I'm not even writing anything for real, but it's giving working bae. It's giving bossy, it's giving, yeah, it's giving she's about her money. Yeah. Right, and now we are on our fourth pair of glasses. This is like right up my alley. Look how cute these are, y'all. Look, it's like a rose quartz kind of color, and then there's gold, little gold hints in there. These are so cute. Yeah, these are definitely giving fashion. These look so good, okay? And these are like a lot bigger than the other ones, but I like that about these glasses. But I feel like these are some shades that I would like wear out, like with a really cute outfit. I will wear these out. And the little gold details in there, little marble, pink and gold marble. These just look so good, y'all. Like, what? Love the shape of these, love how big they are. I feel like this would be really cute with like a bun in my head. And I love this pair too, because this color with the gold is just so cute. Now these is just really giving like fashion. Like, look how big these shades are. It gives very much fashion. All of these shades are like really like thick. They don't feel like heavy at all. Like, they don't really feel like how they look. And look how these match my nails. Super cute. I love pink, so like, these would be something that I wear all the time because I'm always wearing the color pink. And that little hint of gold in there is just so cute. These are just so fire. So cute. These are so cute. All right, so we have 2 more pairs of glasses to try on, and y'all, this is the next pair. These are also on the bigger side. Like, these glasses have a thicker frame to them, and the legs are a little thicker. But I like that design right there. Like, I don't know what that's called, but like, a lot of glasses like look like that, where it's almost like, it almost looks like an animal print to me, or like a coffee kind of print, like, you know, like a marble. But I love that finish on glasses. And this one is actually like half that, and then the bottom is clear. I think this is like a perfect pair of glasses for like the fall, because look at the colors. Super duper cute, y'all. This would just be so cute with like a sweater on. Yeah, I could just imagine me wearing this with my Uggs on and a cute sweater. These glasses right here, yes, they're so cute, and they just look so professional. Like, I can't wait to wear these. We have 1 more pair of shades left, and this is what they look like. Super cute. Look how good they look. These are so cute. It looks like crystals. Look at that. And there's a gold leg right here. And these don't feel really heavy either. Okay, y'all, so this is the last pair of glasses, and I actually love how that looks. I love the gold right there, and I love how it pairs with the clear. Super, super cute. Like, this is kind of a simple pair of glasses, but it's not really simple because of like the design with this right here. That just gives it it gives it personality and dimension. Like, these are really cute. No, I actually love these, y'all. Super cute. I think out of all the glasses I got, I'm actually surprised that this is my favorite pair. Like, I just love how these look, y'all. I love the color, and it's just really this little glitter right here that's getting me. Like, that is just so cute. Look how it just sparkles. Y'all see when I turn, like how it's just sparkling, and that's just so cute. Like, that's just me all the way. Like, this was a perfect pair of shades they sent me. These surprised me. Like, I love them. I just feel like I just look so professional and educated. This just makes me feel like I'm ready to handle business. I could be 2 times more productive because, for one, these glasses are blue light blocking. They're super cute as well. So, I mean, it's a win-win situation, you guys. Get your glasses from ZEELOOL. So this is definitely the winner today. Nonetheless, all the shades are so cute, and ZEELOOL has hundreds of glasses, y'all, for y'all to choose from, because ZEELOOL is a online based glasses brand. So you can shop online and they have so many options to choose from. You can customize your glasses to the color you want them to be, the prescription you want them to be. If you don't want prescription, if you want blue light, you just want regular sunglasses, you can customize everything on their website. Y'all know what to do. Buy glasses at ZEELOOL. Okay, so these actually don't have a gold trim, y'all. I just didn't take off this little paper how I was supposed to the first time. So these actually, oh, and these have little diamonds on the side, y'all. Hold on, these are super cute. Oh, these are so pretty. And y'all see what I'm saying on the side about there being like little diamonds right there? Look at those little diamonds. How cute is that? So let's try them on now. Oh yeah, these are cute, y'all. Oh my, look how they just shimmer when you like. No, this is bomb. Okay, y'all, I don't know, this might be second place for me, because that right there, it's the details for me. Like, that's so cute to me. I clearly love diamonds. I mean, look at my necklace, little diamond necklace, little studs. Like, that's like my favorite thing to wear. So these, super cute. So pretty. In love. Like, this right here, this is my speed. The color, I love everything about these glasses. I don't know which one I like more, this one or this one, because these are really cute too. Like, These are really cute too, y'all. I don't know, because this one got like the little gold and then white and then gold and then white again. Super cute. And then it's just plain clear. What do y'all think? And each glasses comes with their own little cute little bag, and also comes with a wipe for each one of these. Go ahead and go to my description box, go to the link, and y'all know what to do from there. Buy glasses at ZEELOOL. Bye.